Hi, I am Zen, a data professional. Today I am going to solve the case study provided by Codebasic. In this case study, I am going to provide the insights regarding the Telangana tourism development. Here is the dashboard that I have made, in which you can see the district's performance, total number of visitors, monthly trend, and you can also filter around about years. And these dashboards you can navigate from projections, you can see the projections, future predictions, and also the growth. And also you can navigate through the questions which are asked in the case study. Question one, question two. We have answered the total 8 questions. So I am going to start my presentation. The presentation is about the insights to Telangana Government Tourism Department. It is created by me, and we are going to set the agenda. What we are going to discuss in this presentation. We will see the overview, then we will break down the problem, then we see the crucial segments. After that, I am going to provide the answers to the questions with the help of insights. Then I am going to propose the recommendations to the government to take proper actions. After that, I am going to show my dashboard. So here is the overview. What is Telangana? Telangana is the leading state, and what they do, they provide the tourism data. They want to improve their tourism revenue. They, for that purpose, they hired the data analyst. And what my roles come, I have to identify the trends, develop the models, and share the recommendations to the upper stakeholders so that they can take proper and actions to improve their administration. And the end goal of this dashboard or these insights is to improve the revenue through tourism. So here is the problem breakdown. When I have gone through the data, I have seen that there are total two categories of visitors. One is the foreign visitors, and the second is the domestic visitors. So the income comes from these two streams, domestic and foreign. And further, we have to find out the foreign visitors growth in terms of numbers, in terms of revenue. Then we have to see the domestic visitors growth in terms of revenue and visitors. Here is a data modeling which I have performed in the Power BI using modeling tool, and I joined through the common points. So, what are the key crucial areas? The crucial areas are the district's performance in terms of visitors, what is the compounded annual growth rate year by year. Then we see the monthly trends over different years regarding the domestic visitors and foreign visitors to tour. Then we will see the convergence of domestic visitors against the foreign visitors and study the domestic to foreign tourist ratio. At the end, we are going to see the future venues and tourist projections in the future. So here I am going to answer the questions and give the insights from those graphs. Here, the first question is the top 10 districts that have the highest number of visitors. So here is the result, and what we found at the Hyderabad is the top with the 84 million, and the number 10 is the Jackpot with the 11 million visitors in the from the years 2016 to 2019. Second question is they want to know about the top three districts based on the compounded annual growth rate of visitors from 2016 to 2019. Here are the results. Mancherial, Warangal Rural, and Bhadradri are the top three districts, with the Mancherial with the 2.3 and Bhadradri with the 1.4 compounded annual growth rate. The third question they want to ask the lowest three districts, and what I found that Srinagar has the very lowest compounded annual growth rate. So we need to promote its culture among the people so that the number can improve. Next, they want to know about the peak and low months for Hyderabad. Only for it is specifically for the Hyderabad from the years 2016 to 2019 for both domestic and foreign visitors. So, what I found that the summer vacations and June, July, August, and the winter vacations for domestic visitors, there are high trend. Most of the visitors visit on their summer and winter vacations. Similarly, the foreign visitors, we see that the Christmas break comes at December, January, February, and the Easter break are combined. So the people visit among these days because they have to spend a lot of 2 weeks, 3 weeks vacation. So they need time, and this time come at their vacations. So here are the insights: summer vacations and winter vacations, and the months are June, July, December, January. So the next question is they want to know about the convergence of like domestic to foreign tourist ratio. So, but I found that the Hyderabad has the highest, and the third one is Warangal. But they tell like for every one foreign visitor, 79 domestic visitor visit the Hyderabad. Similarly, the lowest rate is Suryapat and Perabali, which shows that the people are both the domestic and foreign visitors are negligibly visit these places. So we need to promote their culture, promote their activities among the people, so that they can start to visit these places as well. So the sixth question they want to ask about the top five and bottom districts in upon basis of population to tourist football. For the population, I have researched like take the data from the website of Telangana government demographic data. Then I merged it in Power BI to get this insights. But I found that Rajana has the highest football ratio, while there are four cities lying at the same point in the top lower, Medjugorje, Suryapat, Vikrabad, and etc. So here are the insights regarding it, and the downfall may be due to the lack of tourism attraction and infrastructure. So the seventh question they want to know about the projected numbers of domestic and foreign tourists in Hyderabad in at which year 2025. So based on the previous growth trends, I designed the funnel, and what I found that there is a declining trend in domestic visitors, while there is the inclining trend in foreign visitors. So we need to spend more to promote domestic visitors, and we need to find the insights, take the surveys from the foreign visitors why they are visiting Hyderabad. The next question they want to know about the revenue regarding Hyderabad. So we see the trend declining trend in domestic and inclining trend in foreign visitors. So we need to work on the like in terms of revenue that how we can achieve it, how can we maintain this trend, we can maintain our projections. So that's all the eight questions. Now I'm going to recommend the government to improve our domestic revenue and foreign revenue. Here are the recommendations. So, what are the first recommendations? They want to know about the district with highest potential for tourism growth and what actions government can take. So, I have listed down three cities and three districts: Warangal, Adilabad, and Hyderabad. Why Warangal? Due to its rich history and landmarks. What government need to do? They need to promote cultural heritage. They need to invest in infrastructure and tourism activities. The second one is Adilabad. Why Adilabad? Because of its scenery location like Kadam Dam. What governments need to do here? They need to invest in recreational activities, they need to invest in tourism startups, and they need to promote this place among people. And the third one is, as all of you know, Hyderabad has a huge uh, potential and it is a big city. People know about it. All the conferences happened in Hyderabad. So what we can do, we can promote cultural festivals, we can facilitate visitors so that they can promote it further. So the next question is they want to know about what kind of events can government can conduct at which month and at which three districts. I have to answer the three W's. So first W is what type of events? Government can conduct marathons, as we all know that marathon many people try to participate in, media covers it. So it gets the international boost and boom through social media marketing. So I think marathon is one of the best way. Then is the cultural festivals. More of the people are interested to know about the culture. They need to revive their cultural values. So the more people will involve in this activity. And the third one is the museum exhibitions. Why museum exhibitions? Because in the museum exhibition, people come to know about the past. People are more interested to know about the past. They want to know about the foundations of things. When they visit museum, they see the heritage. They know about it. They are going to love that place. So museum exhibition is the third one. And at which month, as we see the monthly trends of visitors, so you already know June, July, August, and December, January, February. But one more point I want to add: we will have to incorporate international conferences also. So, what is the best time? Quarter close, like January, February, at the end of March, at the end of July, at the end of September and at the end of December. People visit the places, people held their conferences. It involved your tourism industry. And what are the districts? They are already discussed. Hyderabad, we need to promote more Hyderabad so more people come. As we see the declining trend, so we need to work more on Hyderabad. Then Adilabad, Warangal, Kareemnagar. Why? Because they have a huge cultural heritage lies in that places. Why? What is the next question? The next question is very interesting. They want to know about Dubai. Why can we convert the Hyderabad into Dubai model? So the answer is some. If we remain realistic, so it's not possible. Why? Because Dubai has a huge infrastructure, government is stable, and has created many tourism hubs. They invest millions of billions of dollars to make it a business hub, tourist hub. But Hyderabad also has a huge potential. We don't have a too much fundings to boost, so we have to cooperate with international organizations which can provide us fund to improve our tourism industry. And what we can do, we can learn from the Dubai how they evolve from the scratch. We can invest on specific infrastructure. We can promote international scholarships and exchange programs so that people change their change their cultural values. People come to know about Indian cultural values. We can conduct international conferences on Hyderabad. We can create ease of doing business. Why ease of doing business? More MNCs, more companies will love to come to India because of its huge population, because of its huge potential. And we have to develop, we have to invest on our tourism hubs. So in this way, we can approximately comes close to the Dubai, not properly, but we can improve further. And there is a time come when people will aware about the Hyderabad. Then there is no doubt Hyderabad may become Dubai. So summarizing my all recommendations for Hyderabad, there are total three core areas where we need to work: infrastructure development, tourism promotion, hospitality, and service quality. And further, we deep down how we can achieve these three stages by promote heritage sites, cultural events and festivals, develop theme parks, enhance infrastructure, promote culinary tourism, and collaborate with government agencies to make our country a eco-friendly state. People love to come to the eco-friendly areas. So in this way, we can able to evolve Hyderabad and improve our revenue and improve our GMP in terms of tourism industry. Here is a dashboard I made for the upper stakeholder management so that they can navigate it through at any time, at any place, and know about the inside. They can see the districts, they can see the monthly trends, they can see the total distribution. After that, they can see the projections easily for the coming 5 years for the Hyderabad specifically. Then they can see the growth opportunity, domestic compounded annual growth rate, foreign compounded annual growth rate. We see the declining trend and we see the inclining trend in foreign terms. So we need to work on those areas. And this dashboard is going to help the government agencies so that they can take proper administrative measures and improve their administrations. As a result, they can able to improve their GMV. Thank you. It was very nice and great opportunity to participate in this challenge. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.